Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a bubble pixie tail. First, ensure your hair is clean and dry. Gather your essential tools: small elastic bands, a fine-tooth comb, and a light hold hairspray. Begin by creating a clean, horizontal part across the crown of your head, separating the top section. This initial section will form the base of your first bubble, setting the stage for the unique look. Now, let's create the first bubble. Take the top section of hair you just separated and secure it tightly with a small elastic band, positioning it close to your scalp. Once secured, gently pull outwards on the hair within this section, just above the elastic. This action will loosen the hair, forming a soft, rounded bubble. Adjust it until you achieve a pleasing, voluminous shape. To continue the bubble pixie tail, take a new section of hair directly below your first bubble. Combine this new hair with the existing ponytail from the first bubble. Secure both sections together with another small elastic band. Repeat the gentle pulling technique to puff out this new section, creating a second bubble. Continue this process, adding sections and bubbles, working your way down the back of your head. For the perfect finish, gently tug at each bubble to ensure they are evenly spaced and have the desired volume. Once satisfied, lightly mist your entire bubble pixie tail with a flexible hold hairspray to keep everything in place throughout the day. Smooth down any flyaways for a sleek, polished appearance. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including a fantastic car air freshener. Enjoy your stylish new look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.